In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add crossplay friends and play with them here in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but this is actually extremely easy to go ahead and do. So let's go ahead and get started. From the home screen right here, go ahead and press that R2 button on your controller and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Press R1 to actually move over to this player search tab up at the very top. And what you're going to want to do is type in the EA username of the player that you want to add. Go ahead and type it in. You're going to see a bunch of different options appear. We're just going to pretend that I want to add a rash right here. Essentially, go ahead and select them and they might pop up under an option for other platforms. Select that and then hit X to add them as a friend. Once they do accept that friend request, they're going to appear in your friends list and you can easily invite them to your game. To do that, go over to your friend list and then just highlight their name just like so, and then hit X to invite them to your party. Or if you're already in a game, just go ahead and press X to invite them to the game. Overall, it really is as simple as that. You now know how you could squad up with your friends no matter what platform they're on. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.